Get off the grid and power up your home appliances during a blackout with the SJ1440 SG Indoor-Outdoor Portable Inverter Generator from Sunjo. This fuel-free portable powerhouse is perfect to power small household appliances and electronics during electrical outages, or to use for power tools, tailgating, camping trips, or anywhere power's at a premium. Powered by an internal sealed lead-acid battery, Sunjo's gas-free, maintenance-free, fume-free, and perfectly safe for both indoor and outdoor applications. No tangled pull cords or late-night trips to the gas station in a storm. Just pure, clean, reliable power at the push of a button. Plug in your computer, power up your phone, internet modem, TV, lamp, microwave, and other small household appliances into the 2 USB ports, 2 outlets, or 2 auxiliary cigarette lighter outlets. Jumpstart your car, power up your tools, household appliances, lights, and more. The built-in large roller wheels and transport handle will keep you rolling wherever portable power is needed most. With continuous output of 1,440 watts, Sunjo provides the power you can count on so you can stay safe during most electrical outages with up to 180 hours of runtime for your home alarm system. To brighten up the storm with up to 15 hours of runtime for a 60-watt light bulb. Or stay connected with up to 750 hours of runtime for your cell phone and much more. When Sunjo runs out of power, simply plug into a 120-volt wall outlet for up to 24 hours for a full charge, or let the sun provide the power to store while you're away from home with the optional solar panel add-on, sold separately. Equipped with a 4-inch LCD display system, Sunjo makes it easy to monitor input, output, and battery level for precise power and control at your fingertips. So don't let the next storm leave you in the dark. Plug in, power up, and go with Joe. The SJ1440 SG Indoor-Outdoor Portable Inverter Generator from Sunjo. Get equipped.
Power. You don't realize how badly you need it until you don't have it. Whether you're off-grid adventuring or your grid goes down, having power gives you options. It gives you opportunities. We don't think those opportunities should be limited by how much fuel you have or by a predetermined battery size. The Energy Flex is a modular solar power platform designed to give you the amount of power you need for as long as you need it, without toxic fumes, costly fuel, or constant maintenance. The Flex modular system is composed of 3 unique modules: the Flex battery, which stores energy, the Flex supercharger that maximizes solar charging, and a Flex power console that gives you access to the energy stored in batteries for AC or DC use. These components stack together to create a solar power station that fits your needs. With a Flex system, you can harvest power freely from the sun using an advanced 90-volt solar input from your vehicle while on the road, from a wall charger at home, or from any combination of these power sources at the same time. This power is stored in the ultra-lightweight Lithium Flex battery. You could think of the Flex battery as a gas tank you can recharge with sunlight. Do you want a bigger tank to run devices longer? Stack another battery or 2, up to 96 in total. To refill those tanks even faster, add a Flex supercharger so you recharge 3 times faster with the sun. Now you can power your critical appliances, phones, laptops, CPAPs, power tools, and medical devices for as long as you need to. The Flex 1500 power console provides 1500 watts of continuous AC and regulated DC power. It also sports 6 AC outlets and several useful DC outputs to allow you to power almost any device, anywhere. The Flex DC Power Console offers outputs for DC-only power applications like off-grid and tiny home living, RV and van life scenarios, and ham radio operators, among others. If you're a DC power user, enjoy twice as many DC outlets plus 50% more regulated DC power output, all for less than the price of the Flex 1500. That's 30 amps of regulated DC power at 13.8 volts. All with massive storage capacity options with the modular Flex battery. If you need to supercharge your solar charging, you can add the Flex MPPT supercharger, which allows you to add 2 more 90-volt strings of solar panels. Add 1 Flex MPPT supercharger to the Flex system, and you can boost the total input to 90 amps or an amazing 1200 watts of solar charge input. You could charge 1 Flex battery in about an hour. The Flex battery is the foundation of the Flex modular system. Not only is it roughly half the weight of any other lithium-ion expansion battery in the world, it's also the smartest. The Flex battery is packed with 1,069 watt-hours of storage capacity, with vast opportunity to expand to meet the most demanding applications. The Flex battery is also compatible with the Energy Kodiak and Apex solar power stations. Now you have the power to expand your Kodiak and Apex to a monumental amount of storage capacity. The Flex modular system gives you more flexibility and more options than any other portable solar power station in the world.
Meet the Lycan Powerbox. Lightweight and rugged, the Lycan is the perfect storage system to power several AC and DC appliances, with features such as a floodlight and multiple charging options, including solar. The Lycan is easy to maneuver thanks to its pull rod handle and weighs in only at 55 pounds. It features a state-of-the-art replaceable lithium iron phosphate battery with a full 1,000 watt-hours of storage capacity. The Lycan can be charged by a 12-volt car outlet using a CIG port, an AC wall plug with the input port, or directly from the sun by connecting a panel to the PV port. The Lycan can provide 1,200 watts of power through any of its 4 AC outlets. DC charging is a breeze with 3 round DC ports, 4 USB outlets, and an additional 12-volt car port. To run an AC or DC appliance, you will need to specify the operating mode of the Lycan. Press the power button, and then you can select AC, DC, or both buttons to turn on that function. The bright floodlight on the top will make sure you're never left in the dark. You can externally charge an additional lithium iron phosphate battery to keep you on the move. You may also use Lycan to charge a sealed lead acid battery if needed. The Lycan Powerbox.
So here you are, enjoying a quiet Tuesday with all of those handy little devices that make your home a home, when suddenly, the power goes out. Thankfully, you thought ahead. Enter R600, the only power station of its size with enough energy to run almost any household device. Anything that needs 600 watts or less, no problem. But R600 goes above and beyond other power solutions. So even during a blackout, you can scramble some eggs, brew a cup of joe, or blow dry those beautiful locks without a moment's worry. So how long does the battery last? Well, that's entirely up to you. The base model gives you 300 watt-hours of energy storage. That's like running a laptop for about 15 hours. But I have a feeling you want more. So at any point in time, you can upgrade to R600 Max. This adds an extra battery module, giving you double the energy storage capacity of R600. Now take a moment and picture your next road trip. Anyone with a bit of wanderlust knows power is priceless in the great outdoors. That's why with R600 Pro, sky's the limit. It includes an expansion module for attaching extra batteries. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face. Because with its 160-watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight. R600 is fitted with every port you'll ever need to power any device. In this wireless world of ours, remote control is key. Now you can pair R600 with the new EcoFlow mobile app. It does everything. Monitor your output, receive recharge alerts, or set the mood for date night when the kids are out of the house. Long story short, R600 is your one-stop shop for staying connected on and off the grid. With unlimited power expansion, ultra-fast recharge, and so much smart functionality, we believe in building a better world by bringing clean, untethered energy to everyone.
From your backyard to the mountains, Jackery has your outdoor power needs covered. with the all-new Explorer 1000. One of the most powerful and compact portable power stations on the market. Weighing only 22 pounds with an easy carry handle, the Lithium battery generator packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours and is much more travel-friendly than traditional field generators. Our system features 3 AC outlets, a carport, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0 technology to power your devices more efficiently. A smart LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings, while the side of the unit features a bright LED flashlight with an SOS function in case of emergency. Take the Explorer 1000 with you everywhere, and you'll never need to worry about running out of power again. Once the unit reaches low power, you can plug it into a wall outlet, car charger, generator, or better yet, try pairing it with our 100-watt solar panels to recharge on the go and completely eliminate your carbon footprint. We've equipped the unit with a MPPT solar charge controller to offer up to a 20% increase in charging efficiency. Set up the ultimate campsite and power your lights, coffee machines, coolers, and even your CPAC machine, ensuring a good night's sleep in the tent. And when the adventure takes you to the backyard, be the life of the party, bringing you and your friends quiet, clean energy while powering multiple devices simultaneously. The unit meets the power supply needs of more high-power electrical devices, so in the event of a power outage, you can rest easy knowing that your Explorer 1000 can serve as a backup generator to keep your essential appliances up and running. Whether you're going camping, road tripping, or just need an emergency power solution, the Jackery Explorer 1000 has your outdoor power needs covered.